Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 35 and it is related to naturally long vowel. You know that there are three basic naturally long vowel in Quran, and these are alif sakina followed by fatha, waw sakina followed by dhamma, and ya sakina followed by kasra. And these are three naturally long vowel. And this page is related to the third one. And why it is long? Because the sound of kasra is E and the sound of ya is E. So these two E sounds makes E long sound. So this is naturally long. We don't have to add anything or we don't have to think to make it long. It's naturally long. Okay, so this is ya sakina followed by kasra, and there should be any letter behind it. The letter is not the issue. The main thing is the two conditions which make any letter long is, the one condition is there should be a ya sakina, and this is here, and the second is there should be kasra right before it. This is the second condition. When these two conditions met, any letter gets long, two counts long vowel. E, B, T. So we are making it two counts long. C, G, He, D, Ri, and make sure you are engaging right makhraj for each letter. Z, C, She, Sli, Li, 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 Ri, Ri, Fi, Li, Ki, Li, Mi, Ni, We, He, Ye. So, second, we'll discuss the second part. And first, we'll remove okay. So, this is a long vowel. E. I'll take my pen. This is E. Why this is long? Because ya sakina followed by kasra. First condition is ya sakina. There's the one, and there should be a kasra right before it. This is a long vowel, so you'll make it two counts long. E, and this is two. This is two counts long too, because this long vowel belongs to this second one. Wow, sakina followed by dhamma. Tu, e, tu, ni is two counts long too. Why? Because ya sakina followed by kasra. So you remember that we learned that they can be multiple two counts long vowels in one word. This is a one word, and each word is a long vowel. So it's beautiful. It's e, tu, ni. All the lengths should be same. These are long, but the length should be same. E, tu, ni. How will you stop? If we give buff on the word which is ending by the two counts long vowel, you don't have to do anything. It will stay the same, and when you are giving buff, the sound should stay the same. You will not change anything. Ituni, it will stay the same even then, even if you are giving buff. Mu for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short. B is 2 counts long. Why? Because ya, first condition is ya with sukoon, and second is with, there should be a kasra right before it. Zir right before it. Mu, bi, nin. You will give the wasut that, because you are saying this tanween, because noon sakin is the part of this tanween, and when you are pronouncing noon sakin, you are giving tawassut, because lin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukun, will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Mu, binin, mubinin. How will you stop? You will give sukoon on noon. So you will remove these kasra. You will give sukoon, and noon means sukoon will get sifa of tawassut again. Number 1. And number 2, this temporary sukoon is when it is followed by 2 counts long vowel. This is 2 counts long vowel. Whenever this temporary sukoon is followed by 2 counts long vowel, this temporary sukoon will affect this and change it into 4 counts. And this is called Maddah sukoon. Mubin. And you're giving the wasut on noon sakin. Yeah. Yeah is a soft letter for fatha. Open your jaws. This is a short vowel. Yeah. Don't make it long. T is 2 counts long. Why? Because ya sakina followed by kasra. Ya sakin and followed by kasra is 2 counts long vowel. Yeah, T will be 2 counts long. Man, you are pronouncing tanween, so definitely you are giving tawassut, because you know that there is a hidden noon sakin here. So whenever you are pronouncing that hidden noon sakin, you are giving tawassut, because lin umar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound, and abbreviation of tawassut is capital T. So whenever we find tawassut, we give capital T there. So yatiman, look, I'm saying man, this sound is tanween. Now, when you are giving waqf, you are stopping at the end. For fatha tanween, the mechanism is very different. You just have to remove one fatha, and what is left? This is left 2 counts long vowel. Look, ma. This is 2 counts long vowel. Alif sakina, followed by fatha. Ma. So you are exchanging the sound of tanween. That was before this change, that was man, but you are saying it ma now. So you are exchanging the sound of tanween to 2 counts long vowel. This is why it is called mad awal. You are making this long because of the exchange of 2 sounds. So how will you stop? Yatima. 2 counts long. It will be 2 counts long now. Yatima. And that is called mad awal. Ka is short. Thi, 2 counts long. Kathiron. Because you are pronouncing this tanween, so it will get sifa of tawassut. Ron, this sound is tanween. This sound is tawassut. Kathiron. And how will you stop? Whenever you are pronouncing this fatha tanween at the end, so you will simply remove this one fatha. So it is now 2 counts long vowel, and this is called mad awad. You are exchanging the sound of tanween into 2 counts long vowel. So this is called mad awad. Mad, you are stretching it. Before it was not stretched, and this is because of the exchange of 2 sounds. So this is why it is called mad awad. Kathira, ma, short. G, 2 counts long, because ya sakina followed by kasra. Majidun. You are pronouncing this tanween, so you are giving tawassut, because you know this one dhamma is dhamma and the second dhamma is noon sakin. Remember this dun, if this is written like this, dun, right? This is dun. Yes, dun. And you can write it other way around too. This is dun. Yes. So this one dhamma is do, and the second dhamma is noon sakin actually. This is written in this form, but the sound is this one. So dun. This is why we are giving tawassut because we are pronouncing noon sakin. Majidun. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. On dal, you will give sukoon, then it will get sifa of qalqala. So qutubu jadin are the letters whenever these are with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala. And qutubu jadin will get sifa of qalqala. So dal is one of these letters. So you are giving qalqala here. Qalqala on dal when you will give waqf. And this temporary sukoon, when this temporary sukoon is followed by 2 counts long vowel, you will change this temporary sukoon will affect this 2 counts long vowel and change it to 4 counts long. So this will be now majid. Mu for dhamma, circle your lips. Hey, ha should be from your throat, and it is 2 counts long vowel. Why? Because ya sakina followed by kasra. Muhi kun will get sifa tawassut. Muhiqun. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. So ta with sukoon. Look, ta is part of kutubu jaddin. Ta is here. So whenever kutubu jaddin are with sukoon, we'll get sifa of qalqala. Number one. And number two, this temporary whenever this temporary sukoon is followed by 2 counts long vowel, this temporary sukoon will affect this 2 count long vowel and change it into 4 counts long. Now it is 4 counts long when you are giving waqf. Muhiqo. Ta will be heavy too. Muhiqo. A. Hamza is sharp sound, and this is a shiddah. So we are giving abbreviation of shiddah. Very sharp sound. The makhraj cuts away the sound right away, and the sound shouldn't flow at all. And for fatha, open your jaws. A, a, kha is heavy, and it is 2 counts long vowel because ya sakina followed by kasra is a long vowel. So we'll write 2 counts long here. He is short. Akhihi, akhihi. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and how with sukoon will get sifa of raqawa. Number one. Number two, whenever this temporary sukoon is followed by 2 counts long vowel immediate before it, if you find that there is a 2 counts long vowel immediate before temporary sukoon, then this 2 counts long vowel will be changed into 4 counts. This is called mad arid li sukoon. So how will you stay when you will give sukoon? Akhi. And how will get sifa of rakhawa? Na, short. The 2 counts long because ya sakina qablaha maksur. Ya sakina followed by kasra. Nadhirun. You are giving tawassut because you are pronouncing tanween, because you know that there is a noon sakin hidden in it. Nadhirun. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. Ra will sukoon with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut again because linamar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. So, secondly, this temporary sukoon will affect the long vowel immediate before it and change it into 2 counts long. This is called madarat lis sukoon. Now, when you give waqf, the sound will be nadir. Ra will be light here because ra with sukoon. If it is followed by ya, ra will be light always. So nadir. Ka is short and soft sound. Ri, two counts long, and ra is light here because whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. This light ra sounds like ri, and it is long, so it will be ri one. So give sifa of the wasat because you're pronouncing tanween, because you know that there is noon sakin hidden in it. So whenever you pronounce that noon sakin, you are giving tawassut. Karimun. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and mim will sukoon will get sifa of the wasat again. And this temporary sukoon, if this temporary sukoon is followed by the two counts long vowel, this will be changed. This two counts long vowel will be changed into four counts. So when you will give waqf at the end, it will be kari. Sha is short. He, two counts long. Shahidun. When you are pronouncing tanween, you are giving sifa of tawassut, because remember this mechanism. Shahidun. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. Dal with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala, because qutubu jaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of qalqala. Number one. Number two, this temporary sukoon will affect the long vowel immediate before it and change it into four counts long vowel, and this is called Maddah adat lis sukoon. So when you will give waqf, it will be shaheed. Yeah, it's a soft and a short vowel here. C, two counts long. Run. Yasirun. Ra is heavy here because whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Yasiran. How will you stop? For fatha tanween, the mechanism is very different. You just remove one fatha, and what is left, this is two counts long vowel now. This is called mad awad, because you are exchanging sound of tanween. It was before run. Now you're saying ra, you're exchanging it with a two counts long vowel. This is why it is called mad awad. This is being stretched because of exchange of two sounds. Yasira. That will be two counts long vowel when you will give waqf. Yeah, it's soft for fatha. Open your jaws. Attached with meme will get sifa of tawassut. Whenever meme is with sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut, because this is part of len amr. Look, this is meme is here, so meme sakin will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium, so flow of sound you will say yam. This is sound is tawassut. She, two counts long because ya sakina followed by kasra. So this is two counts long vowel. Yamshi. So how will you give waqf? You remember whenever any letter is has waqf at the end, and it is ending with two counts long vowel, you will not do anything. You will say as it is. So when you will give waqf, it will be yamshi. There will be no change. Yamshi. Ba short. Sli, sod is heavy, and it is two counts long vowel because ya sakina, or ya sakina followed by kasra. Basirun. Give the wasut at the end because you are pronouncing tanween, because you know that there is a noon hidden in tanween. Basirun. How will you stop? With fathatain, you simply remove one fatha, and what is left, there is two counts long vowel is left. So this is called mad awad. Basira. La, short. Tli, two counts long vowel, and it is heavy. La tli. Fun. You are giving tawassut because you are pronouncing tanween. Latifun. How will you stop? You will give temporary sukoon at the end, and fa with sukoon will get sifa of hams, and hams is a flow of breath. First of all, you will give flow of breath on fa. Secondly, when you find um, temporary sukoon followed by 2 counts long vowel, you will change this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. So it will be, if you will give waqf, the sound will be latif. Can you hear the hums in fa? Latif. Ain from your throat. The sound is short. For fatha, open your jaws. We. Voice heavy, so you write capital H. And this is 2 counts long vowel because ya sakina followed by kasra. Azimun. You'll give the wasut because you're pronouncing tanween. Azimun. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. So meme with sukoon will get sifa of the wasut. And if you find this temporary sukoon followed by 2 counts long vowel, this 2 counts long vowel will be changed into 4 counts, and this is called maddah lis sukoon. Maddah lis sukoon. So Ain should be from your throat, and it is 2 counts long vowel because ya sakina followed by kasra. Nun. You are given tawassut when you are pronouncing tanween. Nun. How will you stop? You will give temporary sukoon on noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut because whenever noon is with sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Number 1. Number 2. This temporary sukoon will affect the 2 counts long vowel immediate before it and change it into 4 counts. So when you will stop, the sound will be and noon will get tawassut. Ri will be 4 counts long and noon will get tawassut. Wa for wow, circle your lips. To pronounce wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Wa, ri, ra is heavy. And it is 2 counts long vowel because ya sakina followed by kasra. So this is 2 counts long. Wa, ri, do, do is heavy. Make it heavy and capital H stands for heavy letter. وغيض. How will you stop? You will give sukoon on dod. And dod with sukoon will get sifa of rakhawa and istitala. وغي. Okay. And this is one thing. What you will do when you will give back. Secondly, this 2 counts long vowel will affect the two with this temporary sukoon. This temporary sukoon will affect the 2 counts long vowel right before it and change it into 4 counts long. So now it is 4 counts long. So when you will stop, the sound will be وغيض. وغيض. For wow, to pronounce wow, circle your lips. For dhammas, open your jaws. The sound is short. Wa, qi. Qaf is heavy, and it is 2 counts long because ya sakina followed by kasra. This is a long vowel, so we will write 2 counts. La, short. Wa, qila. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and lam al sukoon will get sifa of tawassut. Number 1. Number 2, this temporary sukoon will affect the 2 counts long vowel right before it and change it into 4 counts. So that will be when you will stop, the sound will be waqi. Can you feel the sound of tawassut at the end? Waqil. A Hamza is sharp, pinchy, sharp sound. And this is a shidda, that's why we're giving shidda. For fatha, open your jaws. A ki is 2 counts long. Akidu for dhamma, circle your lips, and the sound is short. Akidu. How will you stop? You will give temporary sukoon, and dal with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala. Okay, number one. And this temporary sukoon will affect the 2 counts long vowel immediate before it and change it into 4 counts long. Uh, when you will stop, the sound will be akid. Ain from your throat. The sound should be short. Li, 2 counts long because ya sakina followed by kasra. This is a long vowel. Ali, mun. You are giving tawassut on tanween. Alimun. This sound is tawassut. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and new mil sukoon will get zip of tawassut again. And this temporary sukoon will affect the 2 counts long vowel right before it and change it into 4 counts. So when you will stop, the sound will be Ali. Ja. Ja is short. Me, 2 counts long because ya sakina followed by kasra. An. You are giving tawassut on when because you are pronouncing tanween. An. How will you stop? With fatha tanween, the mechanism is very different. You just remove one fatha. Remove it for waqf. And what is left? This is 2 counts long vowel. So this is mad iwad. Jami'a. It will be 2 counts long. Jami'a. Kha is heavy. B, 2 counts long. Kha, this is 2 counts long. Khabi, run. Or ra is heavy. And when you are pronouncing the tanween, you are giving sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Khabirun. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. And a ra with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut again. And this temporary sukoon will affect the 2 counts long vowel image before it and change it into 4. This is called mad arid with sukoon. Khabir. Ra will be light at the end. It will get sifa of tawassut, but it will be light. Why? Because ra with sukoon, if it is followed by ya, the ra will get the sound of ra will get light. Khabir. Sa is short. Me, 2 counts long. Sami'un. Tanween will get sifa of tawassut. Sami'un. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and this ain with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut again, and this temporary sukoon will affect the 2 counts long vowel immediate before it and change it into 2 counts, and this is called mad arid li sukoon. So when you will stop, the sound will be sami. Ra is short. He, 2 counts long because ya sakina followed by kasra. Rahimun. This because you are pronouncing tanween, you are giving tawassut. Rahimun. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and mim will sukoon will get sifa of tawassut again, and this temporary sukoon will affect the 2 counts long vowel before it and changes into 4 counts. So it will be, when you will stop, the sound will be Rahim. Ha should be from your throat. The sound is short. For fatha, open your jaws. Ki, 2 counts long vowel because ya sakina followed by kasra. 2 counts long vowel. Hakimun. For tanween, give tawassut. Hakimun. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and mim will sukoon will get sifat tawassut, and this temporary sukoon will affect the 2 counts long vowel immediate before it and change it into 4 counts, and this is called mad arid للسكون. حكيم. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.